Friends, welcome. In this video, you'll learn technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and BNB, where you can open trades at stop losses, take profits. And we start with Bitcoin, and after that go on to other coins. Firstly, about BTC. BTC at this moment, yesterday, BTC bounced from this major volume area here. Point of control did beautiful pump with this local trap. At this moment, pay attention to this major volume profile, because at this moment BTC exactly at it, and only if BTC fix above this volume profile, only in that case BTC will continue rise. That means what we wait with our team at this moment, if BTC close several 4-hour candles above this major volume, we take long, and our major goal will be into this re-high into this area. After that, what will be after that, it will be seen, because if price breaks it and start beautiful rise, it could reach even this area, because remember that this volume, it is accumulation. Remember that in description I will add to you free lessons about order flow trading and strategies that we use. That's why there would be whole playlist. Second one, it is about Ethereum. Let's cover Ethereum, my friend. About Ethereum, I would like to remind you this post that we did a few days ago, where I told people that with big possibility ETH is going to do this beautiful rise. And Ethereum is going to break all of this stuff and reach this key area nearly 1,271, because ETH for start broke this major accumulation and price started squeezing up this major volume. And have a look how after Ethereum at this moment today exactly pumped as we predicted. Did this small trap and nearly reached our key sell area. At this moment, I think ETH can reach this area, 1,271, and after that there could be some pullback where we will take new long. At this moment, there is no trade on Ethereum. Remember to push like and subscribe to get such accurate updates in the future that will help you make more money. Next coin that I would like to share with you, it is a Solana. Yesterday we published this idea about at 10 p.m. We published this idea that in this area it will be good to open short because of this major volume profile, and that could be drop even to 1050. And have a look how price exactly reached this major sell area, and at this moment is dropping. Also in our public Discord, we share today in the morning when price reach key area. I shared it and I told people that, for example, at this moment, major volume enter a footprint, and when price breaks below, we can take short. And price, as you can see, did it. And what you can do at this moment, first join Discord. Second, below this video in descriptions there would be a link to our free PDF about strategies that we use. Download, drop your email, and we will send to you on your email. There would be a link to download it. Why I think at this moment Solana with big possibility is going to drop, because in 90% cases price bounce from this significant volume nearly every time. I saw it many times. Let's do even closest example for you. When Dogecoin, have a look, example, maybe one of the best example for you, when Dogecoin exactly reached this major volume area. Yes, in this case it was a little bit different because they did several stop loss hunts, but still at the end it was exactly perfect area for short. Nearly the same happened to Solana. Solana at this moment reached this area first time, and I think it will work really good as a major resistance. And I do believe that Solana can reach what will be targets for Solana. First target, it is into this area. Second target, it is into this area, and major target, it is this one to close this imbalance. It is maybe would be the best target into this area. Remember to push follow to be updated, and share in the comments how many times per week do you like when I record video updates about such analysis. And the last one for today, it is about BNB. BNB pumped Many days ago, 2 days ago, I told people that BNB in the middle of this range, huge accumulation. And honestly, I waited for this breakout. Sadly, this breakout happened during the night. It was exactly at midnight when this happened. What I expect at this moment, I expect some range, maybe there would be some traps, and after that I expect continuation into one of these three key levels, 267, 272, 75. But before taking new long, I would be really happy to see trap pullback or new pattern, and of course we will share that pattern in our public Discord channel when it appears. You just need to be there. And at this moment, I highly recommend you to watch a full playlist with our strategies that we use with volume profile to make also such awesome trades. Thank you for your time. Bye.